Gold has been outperforming the S&P 500 in 2024, posting record-breaking returns, and analysts agree that whether Trump or Harris wins the presidential election, gold will continue to increase in value. Now, as the 2024 U.S. presidential election looms, financial markets are bracing for shifts in fiscal and economic policy, but one asset is expected to benefit no matter who wins, and that's gold. The precious metal has already demonstrated remarkable performance this year. It's risen about 21% year to date, reaching an all-time high of $2,531.70 in August, and gold has outperformed the S&P 500 index, which is up only around 15%. Now, with a combination of economic factors and political uncertainty on the horizon, gold is well positioned to continue its upward trend. Several key factors are already fueling gold's bullish trajectory. First, the anticipated cuts in interest rates are making gold a more attractive investment. You see, lower rates will reduce the appeal of yield-bearing assets like bonds and CDs because their yield goes down in that environment, and this drives more investors towards safe haven assets like precious metals. Keep in mind that analysts are predicting 6 straight rate cuts between now and mid-2025. Another major driver is record gold buying from central banks. This, in addition to geopolitical risks and the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, as well as the Middle East conflict, is fueling instability and adding to the unpredictability of global markets. A looming recession and potential market crash are both spurring demand for gold as well. Black Swan investor Mark Spitznagel sees a recession hitting that will occur after the biggest market bubble in history bursts. The presidential election itself is also adding economic uncertainty and, in turn, the demand for safe haven gold. There seems to be a very intense unease over the unknown direction of future fiscal policy. And it's important to note that whether Trump or Harris wins, whoever takes office has the potential to blow up deficits and reignite inflation, pushing gold's value higher. A Harris win is likely to include higher business taxes and increased regulation, and she's also expected to continue or increase the high-spending approach of the Biden administration. The U.S. government has already surpassed the trajectory of $2.8 trillion by 2034. A Harris administration has little chance of reducing the deficit, and as a result, the dollar would weaken and growth would stagnate, both of which historically lead to higher gold prices. Now, on the other hand, if Trump wins, his policies could also fuel a bullish gold market. Trump is expected to push for tax cuts, but without a credible plan to reduce spending, these cuts could exacerbate the deficit. Additionally, Trump has a history of engaging in trade wars, which could reignite geopolitical tensions and uncertainties in the global market. His tariff threats may speed up the pace of de-dollarization as countries really seek to protect their economies from a weaponized dollar. And furthermore, if Trump pressures the Federal Reserve to maintain low interest rates, the dollar could weaken, and a weak dollar tends to result in higher gold prices. Both candidates are expected to have policies that could inflate deficits and create economic or geopolitical uncertainty. Gold stands as a reliable hedge against this instability. As Nairametrics notes, investors looking to protect their funds would do well to avoid risky assets, and gold offers a safe alternative. Ole Hansen, who is the head of commodity strategy at Saxo Bank, sums up gold's future outlook, saying investors are likely to continue viewing gold as a hedge against the uncertainties posed by both economic and policy forces. And as we move closer to the 2024 election, the case for gold only strengthens. If you're concerned about the current economic climate and interested in protecting your investments with gold and silver, I'm Makai Block with American Hartford Gold. Give us a call today and we'll discuss how diversifying with physical precious metals can provide you with the hedge that you need.
Discover how gold can help you protect yourself and your family. Call today or visit our website for more information at AmericanHartfordGold.com.